What's up, guys? This is Everyman Tech. So before we begin this video, I first want to give a special thanks to Taotronics for sending us a pair of the SoundLiberty 95 earbuds for us to review today. So as always, first we're going to go through the main features. We're going to talk about the unboxing. We're just going to really give good insight about what these earbuds offer and what you should expect if you decide to purchase these. So sit back and relax and enjoy the rest of the video. So first up, as always, we're going to talk about the unboxing. So hey guys, we have the SoundLiberty 95 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds from Taotronics, and this is the unboxing. So when you first get the box in your hand, as you can see, you have this couple of writing, you have some informative information on the back, and you have the model number as well as, of course, the cover with that nice Taotronics logo. Then when you slide it out of the white cover, you have, of course, the other box within the box, which has the cables, of course, the headphones and everything else inside. Inside the box, we have the Taotronics paperwork, user guide, the quick start guide. Of course, we have a thank you with some activation codes and stuff on the back. You'll see some privileged services and I guess some more support services if you need that, so you can register your product. And of course, we have the headphone and equipped accessories. And accessories. So you put the plastic open. Then we're greeted with that nice cover. As you can see, that gloss black finish, definitely susceptible to fingerprints, so definitely make sure your hands are clean. But other than that, this is a pretty nice case. It has a USB-C charging port on the bottom. And it's a pretty sleek case with the Bluetooth pairing button on the back. And of course, you pop them open and you're greeted with the nice earbuds itself. Then the other bag, we have of course, the supplied USB-C charging cable with the USB Type A port for you connecting to the side of your computer, or another wall plug if you have one, or a charging adapter, AC charging adapter. But again, you get the USB-C, so definitely great option and great charging. So let's take one of these out. So when you take one of these out, they have the speaker grill, and you can definitely tell it has these a very long stem. It's the left earbud, and you can definitely tell they do look like the AirPods, the original ones, but definitely different. But they have the same kind of architecture. But these are they're definitely way bigger. They feel nice in the hand. And of course, you have the charging, the charging on the base of them. So we're gonna try these out and I'll let you know what I think. Now, first, for the overall design and architecture of these earbuds. Now, we first, again, like in the unboxing, you take these out, you definitely get that feel of a good high gloss black finish. And of course, just like a lot of other headphones, earbuds on the market, but the similar architecture and design, you have that same footprint. But you also have it pretty sleek and stylish. And if you're a fan of a minimalist design, then these earbuds definitely fit that bill. Now, if you also take a look at it when you open them up, you actually have your earbuds, of course, and you have that matte, that gloss finish inside as well as on the outside. And just like a lot of the other earbuds, you have the pairing button on the back for easy convenience for pairing up your device with ease. Now we got that out of the way, as the architecture and design is really simple and minimalist, and it's really nothing too specific or too difficult to understand. We're definitely going to go next into the main features, which there aren't many, but we're going to talk about the 4 key main features, which should be the main driving points for you purchasing these earbuds. So that way you can definitely enjoy and see what you're actually going to be getting when you decide to purchase these. Okay, now for the main features. Like I stated before, we're gonna hit on 4 main features today about these earbuds. Now, the first main feature that we're gonna definitely have to hit on is their use of hi-fi audio. And with their hi-fi audio, Taotronics incorporates aptX coding as well as composite diaphragm, which is used to cover a full range of different frequencies for improved sound quality. So what does that mean? That means that with all their architecture and all their design and the coding built into these earbuds, these will allow you to get a lot of sound and hear a lot of different notes when listening to different genres of music. Now, after testing these, I can honestly say that definitely certain music genres sound a lot better than others, especially if you were into like hip hop or anything with heavy bass. You can definitely hear that bass and the sound quality is there. But as far as a lot of stuff with maybe jazz, pop, or any other opera or any other type of music that incorporates maybe a lot of high to mid range notes, it definitely sounds a little muted. So I'll definitely have to let you know that if you definitely are into the bass or hip hop or something with heavy bass music, I would definitely say that yeah, that architecture definitely is there, but it definitely missed the mark on a lot of the music that incorporates high to mid-range notes. So the next one we're going to talk about is definitely the one-touch pairing. Now, I said one-touch pairing, but I actually meant to say one-step pairing, so I apologize for that. But it all means pretty much the same thing. Now, with the one-step pairing, this allows you to, when you first get these out of the box, when you're ready to connect these to your phone, tablet, computer, or whatever device that you're going to be using, all you have to do is literally lift up the lid and the device will actually begin talking to your device so you can for easy pairing. Now, I will say that it was not definitely always the case with that, especially with my iPad. So I definitely had to hold the button, just like I would with any other Bluetooth enabled earbuds or over-the-ear headphones. I had to actually to hold the button to actually complete the pairing process. But after I did that, it was definitely easy to connect with no issues. And also too, just another quick note about using that button for the Bluetooth pairing button is the fact that if you need to clear your earbuds from the list for any reason, if you're doing some type of troubleshooting, or if you have any connection issues, you press and hold that button in the back, which will also clears the Taotronics SoundLiberty 95 earbuds from your device from the Bluetooth list, so that way you can just go back and repeat the process for easy pairing. So again, it was definitely a great added feature. I'm definitely used to this and doing with not just with these earbuds, but also with my other earbuds and over-the-ear headphones as well. So that process wasn't too difficult, and I'm sure if you utilize these type of earbuds or if you have over-the-ear headphones, you're definitely familiar with the pairing process with those as well, which is pretty much universal at this point. But definitely with that one-step pairing, it was definitely easy, but I did have some issues in the beginning, which I did have to unpair them and then pair them back again. But after I did that pretty much went away. So definitely something to consider and definitely take note of when you decide to purchase these for the first time. Now, for the next feature, we're going to talk about that boosted bass performance. Now, just like I stated before, is that these earbuds definitely favor low frequency or bass heavy music. Now, with this boosted bass performance, you can definitely hear that with no problem. Now, this utilizes 13mm drivers and bass tubes built into both earbuds as well for that boosted bass performance, which gives you that effect of listening to you listen to heavy let's say you definitely get that 15-inch subwoofers in the trunk of a car type of vibe. So if you definitely into that type of music and that type of genre stuff, and you definitely really need that bass, then you definitely get those in these earbuds. But again, it was also with that awesome 13mm drivers in them bass tubes that's built into these. Again, with any high or mid frequency music, is definitely muted out. It's not to say that you can't hear it, but it's not as rich as maybe a lot of other earbuds or over-the-ear headphones out there on the market. So I definitely want to add that, because I don't want you to purchase these and you expecting to hear all the highs and mids and singing and stuff like that, especially if you're someone who really doesn't care too much about heavy bass. I definitely want to put that out there, so I want you to make sure that you really get the full experience and definitely know what to expect when you purchase these. So again, the boosted bass performance, which incorporates 13mm drivers as well as bass tubes built into both left and right earbuds, you definitely get that heavy bass music, and you definitely can hear those low level frequencies very clearly with that added technology. All right, now I would definitely say for any earbuds or over-the-ear headphones on the market with these SoundLiberty 95s, I would definitely have to say that this, to me, in my honest opinion, is the most important technology, which anybody looking for earbuds, over-the-ear headphones, what have you, should definitely make sure that they have these side of purchases. And as always, these SoundLiberty 95 earbuds incorporate noise canceling. That's right, actually upgraded noise canceling from their previous version of these earbuds. So with these new SoundLiberty 95 earbuds, you're going to be getting and taking advantage of the dual CVC 8.0 noise canceling technology, which is their newest technology built into these earbuds. Now with that, you're going to get ultra noise canceling. You're going to get better sound reduction from outside noises, which is definitely great for having that most enjoyable sound experience, listening to music, listening to YouTube videos, or just any other type of videos, especially with all these streaming apps we got nowadays. And you definitely, most importantly, will be able to use that technology and have an improved phone calls when you're using these that actually talk to somebody on the other end. So again, just to recap, with these SoundLiberty 95s, you're going to be getting their newest noise canceling technology, their dual CVC 8.0 technology, which is going to improve, which is going to reduce background noise reduction and also improve sound quality in terms of having phone calls, listening to music, and of course looking at different content or different movies that you're going to be streaming on your tablet, computer, or phone. And with that, you have improved phone calls with these. When I tested these out, I definitely was able to take advantage of that technology, and I will honestly say for the price of these, you definitely get to experience really good, awesome technology with these. So there's definitely a plus with that noise canceling technology. So definitely take advantage. Now, in terms of battery life, now with these, you get 28 hours of full playtime battery life. Now, it's not just fully 28 hours of continuous use, but I'm gonna break it down and definitely explain what I mean. Now, you get up to 7 hours of playtime on one full charge. Now, what that means is, without the charging case, it means when you take these out, put them in your ear. If you leave these in your ear for, without put them in the case throughout the day, you get up to 7 hours on a one full charge. Now, if you utilize the provided case throughout the basis or throughout the day, or the couple of days that you're using these without charging the case, I'm talking on a full charge with the case, without it being plugged into the wall or anything like that, you will get up to 21 hours of playtime use. That's using the content or listening to music or just active phone calls. And again, just to recap that, I know it might be a little confusing, so I'm gonna break it down again. Now you get overall, you get 28 hours of use on a one full charge, and that's with the case. Wisdom without the case, but when you break that down, that's only 7 hours of full charge with just the earbuds in your ear without using the case whatsoever. That means when you charge them in the case, you take them out, put the case somewhere else, and you just have these earbuds in your ear, or not charging within the case whatsoever, you're going to get up to 7 hours on a one full charge. Now, if you want to incorporate the case throughout your daily, throughout the week or what have you, then you get up to 21 hours with full charge and with the case as well. So that's what that means. So again, I did test that out. I used them throughout the day. I used them heavily, phone calls, listening to music. I put my other ones away and I just used that, and I can definitely say that I got pretty much up to that point. Now, again, it also depends on use, and if you do on that one charge. Now, of course, throughout the day, depending on how you use it, depending on how good you keep these in, or also depending on how you charge these, or how often that you charge them, then you could decrease the battery life. So definitely make sure that you're not leaving these on the charger for long periods of time. Once you charge them, just take them off, and don't just charge them, and don't try to use them while on the charger. You know how everything goes with electronics. So definitely make sure you practice good battery management, so that way you can actually keep the charge and not decrease the quality of it over time by using improper charging techniques. And also, in addition to that, included in the box, like you saw in the unboxing, of course, don't forget you get that USB-C charging cable that plugs into the USB-C port of the bottom of the earbuds as well. So kudos for Taotronics for incorporating USB-C charging, as this should be the standard for all electronics and technologies in this century. But Some are lacking, some are still behind, but thank you Taotronics for incorporating the USB-C charging in the SoundLiberty 95 earbuds. So up next, we're going to talk about my overall thoughts and opinions of these and should I recommend or not recommend these for purchase. All right, so the magic question, do I recommend or not recommend these? Overall, for the price that you would get these for, which it was originally $50, but I think you can get these now for 20-something dollars, like maybe 25. But if you use my discount code, you can actually take advantage and get the price for the $17.99. So definitely, at the end of the video, definitely take advantage of that coupon code, which I'll have a link for that coupon code in the description, as well as a link to go purchase these from the website itself. So you can definitely take advantage of that coupon code and get these at a good discounted price, so you can definitely enjoy them and save some money at the same time. Now, back to what I was saying. To recommend or not recommend these, again, for the price of these, I'll definitely say I highly recommend them. But I only recommend these for people who listen to but bass heavy music, or if you don't really care about something where you need to hear like the highs or the mids, and you're really not that particular, then I can definitely say that for the price, plus with that added coupon code, you can definitely take advantage and get a good deal with these, and you'll definitely enjoy them. But if you're someone who really doesn't like too much heavy bass, or you really want to hear the really high notes of the singing, or you definitely want to hear the mids and everything like that of the vocals, and you don't really care so much about the bass, then I will definitely say I do not recommend these, not even with the coupon code or just for the price. I really want you to get the most out of it, because even if you get them at a discount, if you really not going to like them, then it's really not a point of purchasing them. So I definitely don't want to make that mistake. But if you are someone looking for a good affordable pair of earbuds that you really like to hear the bass, and you really just want to have something maybe with good call quality, because these do have good call quality, with the given price, then I definitely say, yeah, definitely purchase these. Use that coupon code, save some money, and you'll definitely enjoy these, because they are fairly priced and given to other manufacturers in this class of earbuds. These are definitely competitive, and I definitely say that, yeah, you'll definitely enjoy them. So just to recap, I recommend for anyone looking for bass heavy earbuds, or someone looking for a good budget friendly pair of earbuds for call quality use. But if you're someone who's like audiophile and you're looking for maybe something higher end, something that incorporates a lot more technology than these have, then I'll definitely say I do not recommend these. I definitely just keep the ones that you have, or look for other ones on the market. But again, if you really don't mind, just want to try these out, definitely utilize that coupon code. Go to that link that I'm gonna provide in the description of this video, so that way you can definitely take advantage. So, and also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you definitely found value in the content and the quality, and you really want to see more videos like this. So definitely don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like this video.